Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Jules, my pronouns are he, him. I am a commercial food photographer, stylist, author, and a lifelong planner. And today we are doing a flip in my Jibun Techo Biz and days for December 2023. And as you see, this is my 2024 biz. However, I jumped into my biz in December 2023, so that is what we are in. If you are interested in this cover, I created this cover and I will link to it right here. So let's get to December. First, we'll start with the month section. There's January. Let me get rid of this. So, the month section I use for, at a glance, the big major things that are happening in my month. I use the to-do list for things I would like to get accomplished in the month that do not have a deadline, that are bonus, like, yay, you were extra productive. I color code each of my days depending on the overall thing that day, whether it be an admin day, a day off from clients, if it's a recipe development day, whatever. Every type of my business work tasks have a specific color, so again I can see how I'm spending my time this month at a glance. This washi tape is to signify that it was my quarterly staycation. This, I have a little sticker to finish out what the final word count was for my WIP, my YA, contemporary YA novel that I finished this month and sent off to my agent for final edits. So yeah, nothing really all that exciting. Normally I have a little bit more deco, but I decided to do something new starting in December, and that was to have a color scheme for the month. And for December, I used yellow, green, violet, and red. So Christmas colors for December, and these colors you will see throughout the week section of my biz, as well as throughout the days for the deco. So yeah, that was my month at a glance. And then if we get to my weeks, I probably really should have bookmarked this. We will start with the first week of December, and the main color for this day was yellow. So I tried my best to incorporate yellow stickers. I didn't have all that many, so it wasn't all that great. But so the top section of my weeks I use to figure out what my priority is. The thing that I'm going to do every single day before I tackle anything else and maybe perhaps lose energy. The to-do list I use the same as in the months, the stuff I would like to get accomplished this week that does not have a deadline. Again, everything is color-coded depending on what type of activity I'm doing, so that I can look at a glance at my week and see how my time was spent. And these are like blocked off. It's all functional based off of what activity I'm doing. So these are admins, this is writing time, a lot of admin work this week, meetings, what I'm watching, when I exercise, my live plan with me is this is a deadline, dog food making days, and then if there's something I want to remember for the day, I stick it down in this section. So yeah, my Tombow complete set arrived, the dogs were up early, some exercise equipment arrived, and then finally I check in with my body 3 times a day to see how much energy I have. And the goal is to always end with at least 1 spoon worth of energy at the end of the day. So yeah, that is this week. Nothing all that exciting this week aside from my Tombow brush pens. And then the second week of December was green. And this is when I decided, like I used to have one color that I used every single week for my body check-ins. But then this week I decided I'm going to use the color of the week to do my body check-ins. And I had lots of meetings this week. I recorded a video. I had another meeting. More or less admin stuff, doctor's appointments right in. Yeah, I agreed to be on a cooking show as a regular guest in this week. My priority this week was cookbook planning. It was someone's birthday. I've also used this section up here for birthdays and other important days when I'm getting, like, when I have to shop, when I have food deliveries coming, all that sort of stuff. And then this is the week of December 11th to 17th, and Violet was the theme. A lot of these stickers are from Sticky Club, and I'll link Sticky Club. These were from, I used to subscribe to their sticker packs every month, and I stopped because I have too many. So most of these are from Sticky Club, and then there are some miscellaneous stickers from Shein. We were watching The Crown that week. Yeah, so that's that week. And then this is the week of Christmas, or Christmas Eve. We're red this week. I was able to find more stickers. Again, most of these are from Sticky Club. And I finished reading a book on this Monday, and that's why the book sticker is there. Every time I finish reading a book, I put a book sticker there. And I know what book it is because I keep it in a different log. But that's just to know. And shopping, I have a delivery that day that I had to be home for. And that's when I spent the day in the ER. My new desk arrived this day. Oh yeah, I was made it into the Eat North Best Cookbooks of 2023 list that day. My waffle maker. Oh yeah, I got my royalty statement. That was awesome. That week. Babylon 5 Blu-rays arrived. So that was that week. And then Christmas week, we're back to yellow. My priority that week was self-care. Same with the week before. Lots of stuff happened this week. I started having really bad sleep this week, and I don't know why, and it's still continuing. On that Monday on Christmas, I made it into the National Post Top 10 Recipes, New Recipes of 2023. I was number 4, and they published the recipe at the end of July, so I had less than 5 months. And I made it into the top 10 recipes of 2023. And I'll link my cookbook in the description as well. Some more Happy Meals, some sticker sheets, and like ones that I can print, and some watercolor paints arrived. Yeah, so that's my December. Nothing really too exciting. Oh, lots of video edits this week. I mean, it was a lot of planning, more videos. A lot of planning to be able to start recipe developing in January was what my December was. Lots of planning, lots of meetings, and lots of videos was my December. That's how I can, like, at a glance, what I can tell I did. So this is all time blocking is how I use that. And when I plan every week, you can watch my live plan with me's on Saturdays at 1 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. 1 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. British time. I put in the appointments that I have for the week, pre-planned, and then I fill in what I did every single day, like how I spent my time. My to-do list go into my days, which we're going to get to now. I'm not going to show the month section of my days because it contains personal health information, but I use the month section of the days for anything health related that needs to be kept note of. And then when we get to December, my goal for December was to stay in my planners, and I did. I fell out of my planners much of 2023 for a lot of reasons. Things I have to do was finish my next cookbook. Things I want to do, I wanted to cookbook planner video, Techo video, Shein unboxing video, and a Tombow video. My word for the month was contentment. What I was able to do, I was able to do the Shein video, I was able to do the cookbook planner video, mostly finished planning my next cookbook. I did the Techo and I did the Tombow, and I stayed in my planners. Did I write that in here? Oh, wait. I did not. I need to write that down. So yeah, I stayed in my planners. That was big. Stayed in planners. Wow. What I did, I bought a new capsule wardrobe. What I reflected on, prioritizing myself, where I went, what I bought. I bought a waffle maker, a new desk, 2 Shein orders, and some clothes. And what I learned, no staycations equals really bad health outcomes. And what I mean by this is normally I take the last 2 weeks of every quarter off. Because I have autoimmune disorder and chronic health, and I need that time to stay healthy. And all of 2022, I was healthy and did not have a single flare. The last few months of 2023, I have been really ill and fighting a really bad flare. And all of my staycations this year, except for the final one, were interrupted with book promo. So, yeah, it's really important that I am very protective of my time and how I spend it. And then my days, I use as, again, this is my schedule for the day and how I'm spending my time. This is my to-do list. I track how my overall mood for the day, and I journal 1 or 2 sentences about how my day was. And if there's any deadlines or birthdays or holidays or whatever, that's what I use this top section for. And then any space that's left over, I decorate. And again, everything is all color coded now for my overall color theme. And there's some really some spreads I am especially happy with this month. This one is kind of simple. It's all on Sundays, because Sundays are a personal day that I do not put in my journals, that I do not plan. It's family time. It's I decorate the page with just stick down stickers and cover it up. And then I journal on other pieces of paper and I stick them on top. I also usually track my mood. I didn't this day. So this is an example of just and this journal is about my week and longer thoughts that aren't totally long, because I don't journal that way, but still some more snapshots into how my mood was. I really like this spread a lot. Most of these are from things that I got on Shein. So far, this is actually a Sticky Club. And I will link to one Shein unboxing, or actually I'll put all the Shein unboxing videos in the description, where they have links to the items that I got on Shein. I cannot do too many in-video links, so I will save that for the description. So Fat Days. I really like this one as well. I'm not really so much a fan of like the rose colors and the reds, and I'm doing all of February like reds, but I do like this, and I like the simplicity of this one too. This is actually a sticker on top, like there's a sticker under this frame. I really like layering. This is like there's washi, this sticker, and then another sticker on top of it for that effect. Yeah. I was really happy with this one too. Making something I like to look at out of colors I usually do not gravitate towards. I'm really pleased with this one as well. Yeah, this one, Friday, I had stuff planned, and then I'm like, nope, I need to take this day off. I feel like crud. I didn't even journal about my day. So because I did nothing, the color scheme spilled over until Friday, and I just, I just decoed it in and then wrote self-care to be like, yeah, I did nothing this day. So lifetime with me, I didn't decorate this page because I was at a loss of what to do with it. So I just left it blank. I put this down here to kind of overflow this, my Sunday spread. and I left it at that. And then this is the first of the last staycation of 2023. This is just tipped in. I like this one. I am actually, yeah, again, this is one of my, even though it's not a color that I typically gravitate towards, I do like this spread here. And then I'm really happy with this too. It's kind of minimalist, and they kind of complement each other even though they're different. These are like layered stickers. It's all, I'm really fond of layering. I like the effect of it, and I like, this is so many layers, so many stickers here. It's layered and layered and layered and layered. Christmas, this is one of my own photographs that I have taken for a personal project. This is Christmas. I did a little scene. This is Sticky Club. These ones are all Sticky Club. And then we got Boxing Day. Some more stuff. Yeah, I like this too. I really like these yellows. Yeah, this is another 2-page spread that I really, really like. I'm very happy with. And then we're at the end of the year, and this is Goodbye 2023, it reads. This is from Sticky Club. And then this is my greatest hits list for 2023, my top 10 accomplishments. And then this is an end of year letter that I tipped in with some washi. I'm smashing paper, but yeah, this is just a letter that I wrote to myself at the end of the year. And I'm really happy with how this turned out as well. So that is my Jibun Techo Biz and days for December 2023. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. If there's a specific type of video you would like me to film, let me know, and I'd be happy to do that as well. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you know when new videos go live. And join me every single Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. British time for a live plan with me, where we sit and we talk for an hour and a half, and we plan or journal or do art, just hang out, talk about our week that was and our week that is coming up, and generally have a good time. Until next time, talk to you soon. Bye.